A mysterious sound has been discovered on Mars. Researchers believe it could point to possible signs of life. NASA's InSight Mars lander, sent to the planet in 2018 to study Mars quakes, has detected 47 new seismic events. These events suggest volcanic activity on Mars, something scientists once thought impossible. Because Mars has no magnetic field, the sounds reveal that magma may still be moving beneath the Martian surface. And if magma is active, there could be underground caves and even hidden water bodies. All of this leads to one exciting conclusion: Mars may be more likely to support life than we ever imagined.